Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how you're going to be able to make free videos, literally unlimited videos, 100% for free using your desktop. And I'm going to show you the way that I do it and using Claude Plus, a handful of free open source libraries that Claude Code will know how to use. You just talk to Claude and you can make free videos, long form, short form, whatever. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be talking about certain free libraries that you can install onto your desktop, on your machine, Mac, Windows, whatever, and be able to do this. So let's have a look at some of the videos that I as an example. Not only are you going to be able to create videos with AI voices, unlimited, no usage costs, add B-rolls, A-rolls, or animations, sub-captions, you name it, background music, sound effects. And you're going to be able to do this for free. And Claude's going to be able to just take it away and just do it for you. So I'm going to show you what I've been able to achieve with some of the examples that we can show you. So let's start with some of the stuff that I've been, let's take this, for example. Stop struggling with broken marketing systems that deliver zero results. Hi, I'm Edward, and we just built a free team duplication marketing system designed to put you into commissions fast. This exact MLM Lead Pro setup lets you customize everything with your own business opportunities. Watch your stats climb right inside the MLM Lead Pro dashboard as you plug into core income streams. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but basically what you're seeing here is you're seeing B-rolls, you're seeing animated captions, you're seeing background music. Now, obviously, some of the B-rolls I created myself. Now, you don't necessarily have to use your own custom B-rolls like I did in that one. Let's say, for example, we could do a bit more generic stuff like this, for example. Stop wasting hours on marketing funnels that are totally broken. You're stuck at zero because you lack premium tools. We are giving you a free automated duplication system today. Plug in your business and unlock massive team growth. Launch your simple 5-step funnel in minutes. Click the link below and grab your free marketing system right now. So I actually used my own voice for that, but it was an AI voice and I did it 100% for free. And we're going to show you some tools that you can use that, but you don't have to use your own cloned voice. And just to reiterate, I did not have to pay for those cloning for services or anything. It's 100% done on my Mac laptop, which is actually an old computer, and it handled it fine. So you don't have to use your own voice or a clone or whatever. You could use. Let's have a look. Okay, just as an example. Stop overthinking how to build a real online business. Okay, let's look for something with a proper AI voice.
Stop overthinking your online business. Stop building from scratch. You can clone my exact free funnel today. This automated system cuts out the guesswork entirely. Edward built a machine that runs on autopilot. See how the ecosystem fits together seamlessly. Unlock the entire ecosystem. It only takes 30 minutes. Activate your MLM Lead Pro dashboard right now. Get proven results with zero complex tech. Duplicate 4.
So that was done using what they call Cockerel TTS. Okay, that's this library here that you wouldn't even need to know how to download it. You wouldn't even know how to install it, but it's a free library that Claude would know how to use, or your coding assistant. But it's 100% free. It's open source. You can run it and you can choose different voices. You can give it give it a test. For that particular voice, I was using Adam, which is a kind of a popular male, confident US voice, and they're all very, very fantastic. You got British voices, you got a number of different voices there, got female voices, and you can test them out by going to this link, Cockerel Text-to-Speech. And they are AI voices and they're incredible and they're free to use. It's your computer resource power that's going to be handling all this. That's why you don't have to pay for it, because it's open source. So, but basically, not only that, I was using B-rolls from, for example, Pexus. Pexus is a free website you can use. And they've got API so that you can. So the API is free to use. Obviously, there's limits, but you probably wouldn't reach those limits. It's like crazy huge. Obviously, you can download stuff from places like Pixel Bay, such as photos, vector videos, and stuff like that. And then you can create your own libraries on your desktop. I've got a whole bunch of libraries on my desktop, such as, fonts that you can download, local B-rolls, local overlays, sound effects, and, different things. But, and all I do is I just have a conversation with Claude, just telling Claude exactly what I want to do. Claude basically creates some skills for me, markdown documents that we call like knowledge. And, every time I just ask and ramble about a kind of a style of video that I want to, promote, or, something I'm just passionate about, Claude knows exactly what to do. It'll build the video. You tell Claude, okay, make a video about blah, blah, blah. And you just ramble about your opportunity, tell it the aspect ratio, for example, 9:16 or 16:9. It's up to you, but, guys, don't think that you need to be technical. Okay. I mean, there's a lot of this stuff I have no idea. And I'm just saying to Claude, like, what aspect ratio do I need for a vertical video or something that I'm posting on TikTok? And Claude will just understand. I mean, and there's a lot of other stuff. I mean, you're going to be, let's say, for example, you want to do animations and stuff like that. So this is a free library called Remotion. All right. And this is a library that can be installed. You don't even need to know how to do any of this stuff. But you got the API, you got the docs. Claude understands all this stuff. Okay. I didn't even need to show Claude where to go to get all this documentation and stuff for the API. Claude just knew how to do that. You knew exactly what it needed. I just wanted some of these animations, really cool sort of animations. It'll handle vector graphics really, really well and create animations for your videos and stuff like that. I mean, check this out. So what I was able to do, so let's have a look. So this was an example of a kind of a doodle style. Have a look at this.
This unique done-for-you funnel system takes minutes to set up. Just follow a simple 5-step blueprint. Join for free and get full access. Done-for-you lead magnets, ready-made funnels, and high-converting landing pages, all built for you. Plug in your own business opportunity. And within minutes, you've got a full funnel, completely customized. You also plug into powerful core income streams that can get you into commission by this time tomorrow. Premium lead sources and marketing tools, free, where others charge hundreds.
Let's have a look at another style.
This unique done-for-you funnel system takes minutes to set up. Just follow a simple 5-step blueprint. Join for free and get full access. Done-for-you lead magnets, ready-made funnels, and high-converting landing pages, all built for you. Plug in your own business opportunity. And within minutes, you've got a full funnel, completely customized and ready. What if making videos didn't take all day? Start with one idea. The system builds the rest. Every step is tracked, so nothing falls through the cracks. Everyone told me automated income was a myth. Then I found a system that pays $200 a day, automatically. Before, I was stuck refreshing spreadsheets all day. After, I just watch it work. Every single step is laid out for you, start to finish. This is just the beginning.
I mean, some of those, I actually went back and said, polish or whatever, but basically all from pretty much one prompt, a lot of these videos. And it was really just me sort of learning how Claude was going to handle some of these libraries. One thing I also wanted to mention is how I was actually doing the free voice cloning of my own voice. And I was using a tool called VoiceBox, and you can go to their website, just do a search and VoiceBox, and then you can, where is it? You can basically download it for your Windows or your Mac or whatever tool you're using. But it's free. You're running it free, and these are some of the voices. Click the link below and grab your free access right now. So that's my voice. You basically create a voice, and once you've created a voice, it becomes your voice profile. And then, you can hook this up with, coding. So you don't even have to use this interface. You have to keep it open while Claude is actually building your YouTube video or whatever video you're creating. But if you wanted to use the voice box, Claude can connect to this tool programmatically, all right, under the hood. And I don't know what it's doing, but it basically does it all automatically. It creates my voice based on my voice profile. It'll know what profile to use, and I just tell it use Eddie 2 as the profile, and it'll just basically create it according to the transcript that I've decided. So, with Claude, you're basically just talking like a friend. Make a video about blah, blah, blah. I want to use my clone voice. And it'll do it. It'll just, use a free tool called VoiceBox. So really, that's all that's required. Just a whole bunch of free tools, and even a lot of coding agents like Claude Code have very generous free tiers that you can use a lot of this stuff. And certainly, it's a great learning curve. But for people who are looking to create a lot of video content for social media, YouTube, short form video, but even long form video, this is a good way to consider, and there's a lot of AI tools out there that charge a lot, $50 a month or more, or, sometimes less, but you get limitation on how many videos you can create because there's always AI usage costs to consider. But anyway, I hope this video was useful. Just, go through and consider, just understand that, I'm not really giving a lot of stuff away. What I'm doing is I'm just giving you kind of ideas that, you're not locked in on having to spend money in building out, really, really decent social media content. You can do it for free, and you can use the very computer, the very device that you're running everything on, and, get into, using AI to your advantage. All right. So I highly recommend this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.